Have you ever wondered why people have different skin colors? Like when someone asks, why are black people more pigmented? The simple answer is adaptation, and it's a fascinating story of human survival. It all goes back thousands of years to our ancestors and where they lived. Think about populations near the equator, especially in Africa. They were living under intense, direct sunlight every single day. That sunlight contains ultraviolet radiation, or UV rays, which can be harmful. So, the human body came up with an amazing defense mechanism, melanin. Melanin is basically your body's own natural built-in sunscreen. It's a pigment that absorbs UV radiation, protecting your skin cells and the precious DNA inside them from damage. The more intense the sun, the more protection was needed. So, over many generations, the bodies of people living in these high-sun environments adapted. They started producing more and more melanin. This trait was so beneficial for survival that it was passed down through their genes. Now here's a common misconception. It's not that people with darker skin have more skin cells. Everyone, regardless of their skin color, has roughly the same number of melanin-producing cells, which are called melanocytes. The real difference is in how active those cells are and how the melanin they produce is distributed. In darker skin, these cells produce more melanin, and that melanin is spread out more densely throughout the skin's layers, creating a stronger protective shield. This incredible adaptation not only guards against skin damage, but also helps protect important nutrients in the body, like folate, from being broken down by UV light. So what about lighter skin? Well, as human populations migrated away from the equator and into regions with less sunlight, like in Europe and Asia, the environmental pressures changed. In these colder, cloudier climates, getting enough UV radiation actually became a challenge. Why? Because our bodies need a certain amount of sunlight to produce vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. In this low-sun environment, having a lot of melanin was actually at a disadvantage. It blocked the limited UV rays from being absorbed. So, over generations, the opposite adaptation occurred. Skin became lighter, with less melanin, to allow for more efficient vitamin D production. It's really that straightforward. Skin color is a perfect example of biology responding to geography. It's not about stress, it's not random, and it certainly has nothing to do with one group being superior to another. It's simply about our ancestors' bodies, brilliantly adapting to the specific environment they lived in to survive and thrive. More sun over generations meant more melanin. Less sun meant less melanin. Understanding this science helps us move past ignorance and outdated assumptions. It replaces prejudice with biology, and biology doesn't discriminate. It just adapts. It's a beautiful testament to how connected we are to our planet. If this helped you understand something a bit more clearly, follow our channel for more simple explanations on complex topics. Thanks for watching.